Hi family. Today I'm going to make a new recipe that I found online. It's coffee chocolate chip cookies. Let's do it. Come join me. Okay, we're going to start these cookies, and I'm having my smoothie, and it was blueberries, strawberries, mango, ground flax seeds, apple cider vinegar, lemon, garlic. I think that was it. But yeah, use a straw because whenever you have apple cider vinegar or lemon, you need to use a straw and then still brush your teeth afterwards because it's hard on the enamel of the teeth. Let's make cookies. Okay, I have 1/2 cup of butter in here. And I'm going to add one half cup of white sugar. Cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. We're going to pack that down. Okay, add that. And we're going to add one we're going to add 1 egg. I got 1 egg here, so checked and good. Okay, now we're going to mix this together. Came out. Now I'm going to I'm going to stir in the flour and the dry ingredients here. One and 1/2 cup of flour. Put that there. That's 1 1/2 cup. Okay, now we're going to add We're going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules. I just picked up a Great Value brand, just a generic brand. I don't use it that often for regular coffee, but I will. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of that. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, not over the thing. There we go, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I think I'm going to use this. Here's my handy dandy scraper, which I really love. Works really good. I don't know. It says cooking club, so you know it's got to be. All right. This looks good. It's all mixed up. I'm also going to use my hands here a little bit. It's like those coffee granules will just kind of melt in there in the oven, I suppose. Okay, now we're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, which I got here. Of course, you know, I always add a little more. Hands to work that in. I bet these are going to be good. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 bag of chocolate chips. This called for chocolate chunks, but I didn't have those, so we're going to do chocolate chips. And give those a mix. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'm going to put these aside here. Unplug my thing here. I don't need my beaters anymore, so. Alright, now the oven, I have the oven on 350. It's been preheating. So now I'm gonna bake these for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden browned and the edges have set. And I'm gonna use this so that I have just going to put them on there like this. It's a pretty thick dough, so but the reason I'm using this is so that I have a pretty much the same size. I don't know. I'm squishing them together here. I don't know if that. Squishing them down a little bit. Just a little bit. My husband saw this recipe and he's like, I want those. So let's have those. So that's what we're doing here. We're making cookies. He likes his sweets, so get him to eat it, that's good. That one looks like it needs just a little more. Okay. Alright, I'll pop them in the oven and we will be right back. Okay, these look good. Now, I'm going to let these sit for like 4 minutes to cool down a little bit. Then I'm going to transfer them to a rack to cool down completely. Okay. I'm going to transfer these to a wire rack here. And I am going to let these cool completely, like 30 minutes. So we'll be back then. Okay, now I have my second batch in the oven, and while I'm waiting for the other cookies to cool down completely, we're going to make the drizzle. And what we're going to do is we're going to use, start with a half a cup of powdered sugar. And if I need to make more, we'll make more. Half a cup of powdered sugar. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of the coffee crystals. I got everything here handy. Half a teaspoon of coffee crystals, that should be good. And 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of water in there, and we're going to stir this up. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to let it set a little bit so that the coffee crystals melt in there. Let that sit, and then we'll stir it up again. Okay, This, the coffee granules melted in there pretty good. So now the cookies are completely cooled down. So now we're just going to give them a little drizzle. Just like this. Kind of make them fancy looking. I kind of screwed up that one. Don't need much on there. Yeah, they look pretty. I love coffee, so we'll see. I'll have to make some more for the second batch. Here, take a cookie. Go ahead, grab one. All right, let's try these. If you like coffee, yeah, I can definitely taste the coffee in them. And the chocolate. Yeah, these are good. I wish my taste was a little better today, but yeah, they look good. My dog is waiting for one. Here, go ahead. Have a bite. You can't have chocolate or coffee. These would be really good with coffee. Awesome. Yep. I'd say it's a win-win. I'll put the recipe in the description. And we'll see you next time for something different. And I do appreciate all of you. I still pray for you every day. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.